Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that can make it hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up too early. It is the most common sleep problem and can affect people of all ages. This can lead to difficulty waking up in the morning and an overall feeling of un-restiveness during the day, even with adequate sleep at night. If you are one of those people who still feel tired even after waking up, there are some tips to help you have a better morning. In Ayurvedic traditions, moon milk is a warm drink made from a mixture of honey, cinnamon, and cow's milk. The drink has been used for centuries in Ayurveda, the ancient holistic practice of India. Traditionally, it is taken before bed to help with sleep deprivation. One of the core principles of Ayurveda is finding a harmonized approach to the mind, body, and soul, and good sleep is an important part of that, hence the advent of moon milk, which is also praised for its stress-relieving properties. How to make moon milk? Ingredients: 1 cup almond or coconut milk, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon ashwagandha, 2 pinches of ground cardamom, pinch of ground ginger, optional, pinch of ground nutmeg, freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon honey, preferably raw. Preparation: bring milk to a simmer in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Whisk in cinnamon, turmeric, ashwagandha, cardamom, ginger, and nutmeg, season with pepper. Whisk vigorously to incorporate any clumps. Add coconut oil, reduce heat to low, and continue to cook until warm through 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you go, the stronger the medicine. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Stir in honey. You want to avoid cooking honey or you'll destroy its healing goodness. Pour into a mug, drink warm, and climb right into bed.